Hey, we've got Devon with her Louise, and it's an awesome bike. You can tell that she's not happy with it at all.
Freaking love it! It's amazing.
So we're gonna do just a little test right now. Can we do a? Can I hop in?
Yeah, get in, Brad.
All right. On this bike?
Because this bike was my mode of transportation when we lived in Europe. And when we moved to Portland, I had grand ideas of taking her around town, but then I realized those Portland hills are no joke. So I wanted to use her, but I needed a little bit of power, so here we are.
All right. So this wouldn't fit with the Babboe motors, which is the most common for electrifying a bike, and that's because down here in the bottom bracket got a lot of extra steel taking up the gap that would have been where the motor goes. And luckily enough, that was the case because I found the coolest motor that we've ever used is the CYC, and it's not constrained to the same real estate restrictions that the Babboe has. It's made actually for off-road bikes. This is like a mountain bike motor. I think this bike deserves some power. So, and Devon and her family. So there we go. It turned out to be awesome.
Could not be happier. I really, if you're thinking about making a switch to electric, Brad and his team, they're your crew. Thanks a lot.
Awesome.